Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing fast. Check your OS and pick a recorder. If you have built-in options, use them. Otherwise, install OBS or QuickTime. Once done, close apps that will leak notifications and set Do Not Disturb. Make sure your microphone and webcam are physically connected and recognized by the system. Next, open the recorder and create a new recording profile so settings won't change. This gets you past fiddling and into recording immediately. Now configure essential settings that impact quality and file size. Select a resolution, 1920 by 1080 if you want clear detail, or 1280 by 720 to save resources, and pick 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on motion. Make sure to enable system audio capture and select the microphone as a separate track so you can edit voice levels later. Adjust bitrates conservatively. Higher gives quality, lower saves space. Press record and proceed with your walkthrough. Use a hotkey for precision and narrate in short, clear phrases. When finished, stop recording, watch the clip to confirm video and separate audio tracks, then export as MP4 with H.264 for wide compatibility. Make sure to save the project file if you plan edits. If playback shows no sound, immediately check the mic input, app permissions in system settings, and that the track isn't muted. Reopen the record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.